Hey, I'm Matt with Meat Church. Let's make this creamy, delicious potato soup. Well, it's comfort food season. Nothing better than a potato soup. I've been making this for my wife. She says it's one of the best things I've made in the past year. So naturally, I got to jump in and make a video for you guys. We're here in my outdoor kitchen as usual, but you can certainly cook this inside your house. We're just on an induction burner. There's nothing outside specific to this other than it's a beautiful day outside. And I'd rather cook outside. So let's jump into this. It's going to be really easy. My base is going to be red potatoes. I've got like 9 or 10 potatoes here that I peeled and I left pretty large. We'll get into that a little bit later. But first things first, I've got 1 package of bacon. Turn on my induction burner here. And I've just cut it into just like little bits. So we want to brown this bacon up, or cook this bacon, I should say. Get it nice and crispy. This is gonna be the topping for our soup in the end, but I'm gonna leverage all of the fat that renders here into nice, beautiful oil that we're gonna saute the rest of the vegetables in. All right, as you can see, that bacon is nice and browned up there. This is gonna be delicious topping. All right, we're just gonna spider this cooked bacon out of here. And now we need to remove most of the rendered fat out, but keep some of it for sauteing the vegetables. All right, I've got a chopped red onion, a couple ribs of celery. Let's just cook this until it's nice and soft. Okay, the onions and celery, nice and soft, obviously smelling really, really good. So now we've minced up 3 cloves of garlic. Get all of that goodness in there. And like 4 green onions. We're gonna give this 2-3 minutes. Still smelling good. All right, so we've got a little bit of flour here we're gonna sprinkle in. I'm gonna cook this flour for just a couple minutes here, get it totally incorporated, and then we're gonna start bringing in our liquids before our potatoes. All right, it's been a couple minutes, flour's cooked. So we've got about 32 ounces of chicken stock here. So as you pour this in, you want to stir pretty quickly. All right, I'll make sure none of my bits are stuck on the bottom of my pot. And I'm on kind of like medium-high heat here. Now we're gonna make this creamy. So we've got 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of heavy cream. Here comes the cream. Oh yeah. Really gonna make this soup nice and creamy. All right, we've got all mixed up in with the potatoes. So the beginning I talked about, I like to use a red potato. I cut them in half and cut them in half one more time. You don't have to go like really small. Some people prefer to cube them up, but what I like to do is I'm going to cook the potatoes at this size, and then I'm gonna use this masher at the end so that I can get kind of a rustic mash on these. I just like the consistency of the soup after that, but certainly do it however you wanna do it. Incorporate all these potatoes. So I'm gonna season this with Blanco. Blanco is our salt and pepper replacer. It's just a general overall flavor enhancer. It should sit on your dinner table. It goes on everything. Don't do salt and pepper, do Blanco. Salt, pepper, onion, garlic, a little bit of butter. Started out as a steak seasoning, but this is so good and so much stuff in your kitchen. So probably a couple tablespoons or so, just do it to taste. Put this in here, gonna incorporate it. And the good thing about it is you can just add more as you taste it to kind of bring it to your desired taste at the end. Okay, you're gonna increase the heat, then we're gonna simmer this for 20-25 minutes. Okay, well this soup has been simmering for about 25 minutes. Man, it smells awesome. So I've just grated up 12 ounces of cheddar cheese. So always an advocate to shred your own cheese, tastes better, melts better. Mix this in for some more thickness, plus who's gonna be mad about 12 ounces of cheese? We're gonna let this melt down in here. Now I need to smash the potatoes up. I mentioned this is the type of smasher I like to use. So I'm just gonna smash down in here. Just kind of do this to your liking. You gotta break up those bigger pieces. I want some big pieces, but not the size of half of a potato. You can kind of see if I scoop some up here what you're gonna get. Like I want that good hearty bite. All right, I think that's pretty good. Turn this down. So I'm gonna scoop out a bowl here and we're gonna let it cool off. And then I'm gonna go get everything that I need to garnish it with while it cools. Ooh, look at that. All right, well, this has cooled off a little bit. We're gonna garnish it up. So I always like to add a little more pepper. Got my pepper cannon here. If you don't know about a pepper cannon, it's for serious pepper lovers only. All right, all that good bacon we cooked, you know that's gotta go on there. A little extra. More cheese, because why wouldn't you? And to make my mom happy, little green stuff. Little chives. My H-E-B finally had good chives, so I bought them all. Look at that. Whew, that's good looking. Here we go. Big, hearty bite with all the food groups in it right there. That is so stinking good. It is one of the best things I've made in the past 6 months. This is comfort food heaven in a bowl. Everybody in your family is gonna love this. It is hearty, it is inexpensive, it is delicious. You guys have to make this. We're definitely gonna be starting a new comfort food series that I'm gonna throw this in because we got loads of comfort food videos from meatloaf to chicken fried steak and stuff like this. So you have to make this. It's super easy. Your whole family will love it. Trust me on that one. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe. We're close to our 1 million subscribers. A little bit of help from you guys and we'll be there. We'll see you guys next week.